Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this 3-channel dash cam. I was sent this for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about it. Here's a look at this dash cam, and it works with a SIM card, so it has a 32 gigabyte SIM card that comes with it, and that's how you'll store the footage. Here's everything that comes in the box, and this camera is a 1080p. It also is HDR, and it has night vision. There's an anti-glare feature, so even if it's raining, that's not going to impact your picture. This is the rear-facing camera that you can attach outside of your car by your license plate, or you can put it inside your car behind your windshield. It is waterproof and provides a 150-degree view. Okay, for installation of the front camera, I'm going to take my camera and my mount, and then you have this piece here, so it fits in like a puzzle piece, and then it's going to click into place. Now, I want to hang it like this, and this feature is going to lock it, and that will cause the suction cup here to depress and really get a good hold. So I'm just going to place it on my windshield and then turn it to the right, and now that's really locked into place. And you can mess with the angle here. That's going to be adjustable. So whether you want to put it lower or higher and then mess with your camera angle, that's personal preference. Once you've installed the camera, you're going to plug in the cord, and you're going to want to tuck that into the front of your windshield so you can plug it in. Once I get that plugged into my cigarette lighter, I'm going to take a look back at my camera, and I can already see that I have the first 2 of the 3 views displayed. I can toggle between different settings here, and it's already showing me the battery power and the time. Now you can see I've plugged another cord into the top, and that is for the camera that goes on the very back of the car, and you can already see the 3 views here. So that's what gives you the 3 views. You have the front and back on this camera, and then the extra camera that goes in the very back. The cord on this rear camera is very long, so there's plenty of room to run it back to the front where it plugs into the camera. There's a couple of really cool features this includes. One is loop recording. So that means every 24 hours, it's going to keep looping and refreshing your data with the most current data. Now, if you're in a collision, you're not going to lose the collision footage because it also has something called a G sensor. And what that's going to do, it's going to sense a collision and then automatically save that footage. So you don't have to worry about any footage being overridden if you've been in an accident. The other thing it does is parking security, so it can monitor your vehicle even as it's parked. So it's really nice to have all that data at your fingertips. In summary, definitely my favorite thing about this is just the security that it provides. If I'm in an accident or if something happens in my vehicle, we're going to have that footage, and that's peace of mind for me, so I do recommend this device.